Kia ora. Hello everybody. Today I thought that we could do a science experiment, and one of my favorite ones is called the lemon fizz experiment. So all you need is some baking soda, some lemons, some dye, some dishwashing liquid, some cylinders. So if you have a roll of something that's coming to an end, like paper towels or something like that, you can get that and cut it. So you can make two little cylinders like this and a spoon. So you start off by putting some baking soda into the cylinders. So put that in there first. So you only need about a tablespoon. It doesn't matter if it comes out the bottom. It's all good. Okay. Then you're going to pick your colours. So today we have mawhero, which is pink, and kikorangi, which is blue. So I'll put the pink in here. You just put a few drops. To a set one. Oh, that's tight. Okay. Okay. Then you put some dishwashing liquid on the top. And then you get your lemons and you squeeze. Which one should we start with? Should we start with the kikorangi blue? Okay, let's watch what happens. Oh. Now, mix it up. Look. Wow. Look at that. It's another type of volcano. Now, shall we do the mawhero, pink? Okay, so we squeeze our lemon and see it's reacting with the baking soda and was it round? I don't want to get the bluing because it'll mix up. Let's watch. Here it comes. Wow, look at that. Oh, it's slowly bubbling over. So the acidity from the lemon is reacting with the baking soda and the dishwashing liquid, and it's causing a volcano type experiment. And this is a follow-on from Cassie's experiment where she was doing volcanoes, and this is just another way of doing it. So it's called the lemon fizz experiment. And you just need baking soda, dye, lemon, a spoon, cylinder, and dishwashing liquid. I'd love it if you could give it a go, and if you do, love to see some photos. Have a great day. See you later.